Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam. Important tips regarding the partial fractions. Before splitting any question into partial fraction, first observe three things. Number one, type of fraction, whether the fraction is proper or improper. Number two, observe the factors in denominator, whether the factors are in factorized form or not. Like in this fraction, this factor is not in factorized form. So first factorize it by breaking the middle term. Number three, observe the types of factor in denominator. All factors are linear. Number one point was type of fractions, proper or improper. This fraction is proper because the highest power of variable in denominator is 3, whereas the highest power of variable in numerator is 2. When the highest power of variable in denominator is greater than the highest power of the variable in numerator, then the fraction is proper. Now you can split this fraction as a upon x minus 3. This factor is repeated linear, so write this factor twice, once with power 1 and once with power 2. And since all factors are linear, so write constants in numerator. And get the values of x from the denominator. From this factor we are getting 3 minus 2, and since we have 3 unknowns, so we have to suppose one extra value, and the best value is 0, since 0 is not here in these two values. Now by substituting these two values at first and this supposed value at last, we can get the values of ABC. Remember, always substitute the supposing value at the end to make the calculation simple. Improper fractions. Well, in improper fractions, in P3 syllabus, the highest power of variable in numerator is equal to the highest power of variable in denominator. This is in P3 syllabus. See, the highest power of variable in numerator is equal to the highest power of variable in denominator. So this is improper fraction. An improper fraction, in fact. Now factorize the factors. So we have two linear factors. Well, improper fraction always starts with a constant. So before splitting this fraction into partial fraction, first write a constant a and then split these two fractions as you do in proper fractions. Make two fractions for these two factors. So this is a linear factor, so write constants here. We always find the value of this constant by comparing the coefficient method, and these constants are found by using substitution method. Good luck.